The portable receiver, from Bellman Symfon, is part of the Visit smart home system that helps you keep tabs on your home. It alerts you with colored LED lights and sound with adjustable volume when the doorbell or telephone rings, when your baby needs you, and if a fire or carbon monoxide leak should occur. The portable receiver works wirelessly with our full range of transmitters. Let's open the box. Here is a user manual in multiple languages. Here is the portable receiver, a wall bracket, 4 batteries, and a screw and wall plug. To get started, slide open the battery cover. Place the batteries inside and close the cover. To test the radio connection, press the test button on the transmitter. The receiver starts to flash and sound, and a red LED will light up different patterns depending on which transmitter has been triggered. To stop the notification, press the test button on the bottom. Now the portable receiver is ready to use. That's how easy it is to set up. Here are some additional features. To adjust the volume, use the red volume dial on the top of the receiver. The volume can be adjusted to over 90 decibels. There is also a light switch on the back of the receiver to turn the LED lights on and off. The portable receiver has different notification patterns depending on the transmitter that triggers the receiver. This is for the baby monitor. This is for the doorbell. This is for the telephone. This is for the smoke alarm. And this is for the carbon monoxide alarm. This is the bed shaker connection. Plug the bed shaker into this port. Then place it under your pillow or mattress and it will vibrate when the portable receiver is triggered. The batteries in the portable receiver can last up to 2 to 3 years. If the power LED blinks red, then the batteries need to be replaced. And that is the portable receiver, part of the Visit smart home system.